Okay, let's try one line here in the rock garden na mayroong pang ilaw. Alright, so whoa, yun with the sunset. And yun yung sunset. Nice. Yun. Yan, okay. Meron tayong buggy na nasa una. Sa unahan, nice. And check our waterfall. Yan, gumagana na yung pump namin. Alright, so pupuntahin na natin yung cherry bomb. Cherry bomb. Oh, sobrahan. Ayan. Yun, we're done. So that's my favorite part of these tracks, the rock garden. And actually dyan lang ako tumatambay. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoy my short run video with single line here in rock garden. Ganda din dito, parang natural trail. Ayun. Yun, and merong tunnel. Hindi ka na din dito.